This is German application of the law. Tell us again what that sign says.
What the sign says is that surfing is forbidden, and it's to document so that if you get hurt and injured and you go to the hospital, it won't be covered by the NHS. But the police don't stop you from doing it. It just establishes that it's not covered by your national health insurance.